Hi friends, from this new video what we are going to look how we can calculate total working hours. Okay, this will be very helpful for the employees for the time in and time out and all will be there in a easy way how we can convert for the total working hours, and based upon that we can pay for their basic as well as for their allowance also. Okay, let me go inside. Hi friends, here it is available for time in and time out. Right now we need to calculate how many hours the employee have worked. Okay, suppose if you are preparing for time and attendance or working hours or any other schedule, if you are calculating in a sense, this is what the time in and time out has been given. Okay, the time format has been given for AM as well as for the PM also. Okay, right now it is available only for 6 days. Okay, over here if you're looking in a sense, it is available for 6 days, Monday, Tuesday as well as for the Wednesday it has given. And right now we need to calculate for the working hours. Just the bracket timeout minus time in, close the bracket, into 24 hours, right? Per day, why I am putting for 24 in a sense, per day 24 hours will be there. That's the reason I'm mentioning for 24 hours. Okay, now you can press enter. Right now it is available for 9 hours, right? Some people it may not available. And over here if you're checking this one, same thing, because from here it is available for 9 hours. If you're trying in your lab for the same field, it will not come. I will show you over here. Equal to timeout minus time in. Okay, that you need to open the bracket first and close the bracket, and into 24, press enter. That is C3 minus it's showing A3, sorry, C3 minus B3, right? So we are entering B3 and you can enter as C. Right now once you are trying for the first time it will show like this. Then what you have to do in order to convert for the hours worked, okay, total hours worked, what you have to do, because already I worked some other function over here, that's the reason it has automatically came. Suppose if you are trying for the first time it will not come, that's the reason I'm telling to you. Okay, it will come like this. Then what you have to do, you have to press control shift and exclamatory sign, then automatically it will come like this. Just you can track it over here. So right now it will show you number of hours worked. The difference also you can look, 8 to 5 it will be 9 hours, and 8:50 to 5:25 it will be 8 hours 58 seconds. Okay, this is a way you can calculate for total hours worked for a particular day. I think this video will be very helpful for you. If it is helpful, please you can subscribe and watch. I will post for more tips and tricks for crypto as well as Excel and other learning also. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this. Bye.